I received this today, but unfortunately I need to paint them with the same color. Okay, I hope my sound will be clear on the camera. It's a little windy here. I will install it now so we can have more time experimenting with the old one. Especially the first attempt failed, but I'm not going to stop trying. We put this one and we'll experiment with that one in a different video. Okay, get your tools ready. Phillips head screwdriver, 10mm socket, trim tool, another Phillips head screwdriver, smaller one. You can get away with the same one, but a tiny flathead screwdriver. Turn on the ignition switch, open the window, because we need to hold the mirror with the other hand while we are removing the last bolt. Okay, now I'll disconnect this one. As we saw in the window master switch replacement, we will remove the door panel, but for this one I'm not going to remove it all. I will remove the screws only, and then we'll start cracking it from this side a little bit, so I can reach to the socket easily from here and disconnect the mirror, and that's it. I don't need to remove the whole door panel. So it's up to you if you want to completely remove it or just do that. There's a small place here. Can be anywhere. Just look for it. This one and this one. Okay, we start from this here. Alright. Once again, in my case, I don't need to completely remove the panel. I will just disconnect the wire. Lift it up. That's it. Keep it hanging here, and we will show you how to close this one at the end of the video. Okay, right now I just disconnected this one from here. Let me show you. 1 second. I thought I was recording, but it was not. Okay, this is the socket I removed it. I disconnected. It's for the camera, it's for the side mirror, and then I will put this back hanging on this but without closing, so we can remove this and put the new one. I will first remove this one while I'm holding the panel, then I'll remove this one, and this is the last one I will remove. And while removing it, I will catch my side mirror with my other hand so it will not fall off. Then it's need a little wiggle, then take it out. There is this rubber, it will come out with the mirror. Okay, okay, this is the new one. This one. And I just put two bolts here. I didn't tighten them, just a little bit hand tight. It's not much. Okay, put the third one and continue. Now I will connect the side mirror wire. I connected it. Let's try it. It's working. Okay. I will put the third bolt now. I'm sorry, I cannot move because otherwise this will fall down. Third bolt coming in. Now. Okay, now assembling back the door panel. So in case you watched the previous video for the master switch remover, window master switch removing and replacement, and we just are looking for how to close this one. Okay, and that one we disconnected everything here, so okay, I'll give you a closer look. You need to connect that wire there. I don't know if you can see it here. Yeah, this one, you need to connect this one and connect the master switch wire, side mirror, this is master switch wire, side mirror, lock and functions, talking about those. Okay, and this is the shortest one, actually, the petrol switch. And here's that for the door hand. And this lip, you need to put this it's almost impossible for me to focus. I'm just recording with my phone. There is a lip here. It will go inside this one there, like this. It will be hanging like this. Okay, so it should be like this. Okay, now you can see the bolts. Now I will simply push the panel to close the clips, starting from this side. I put the phone on the stand. 1, 2, down, side. Everything is there. All clips are closed. Now we'll simply just put those screws back and cover them with their covers. Okay, I'll fast forward this part. Sweet. An important note, just make sure this wire is out and visible, accessible before you start closing, because after I closed it was really down. I had to unbolt a couple of screws and little crack it from here to reach it and take it out and close this again. So save your time, just make sure this one is there. Okay, we'll record now how to fix this one, how to close it, I mean. Okay, it's very simple. It will go only in one way, one shape direction, that's it. You cannot miss this. Okay, put this wire a little bit down and you start closing. Just make sure, try to, this one go into that hole. Okay, once again I'm recording with my phone, so I'm sorry it's not the best video you can watch on YouTube, but this is what I have. It is what it is, and that's it. Congratulations, you just changed your side mirror.